Hey guys, it's Brian, Big Daddy's RV. Hey, we've got a special walkthrough we're going to do for you real quick for Facebook and all you guys out there looking for toy haulers. We got a 357 Carbon we're going to show you today, and at the end I'm going to tell you something really cool about pricing. But I want to touch on tax time, family time. It's a great time to buy at Big Daddy's RV. I got Dennis Ford here, our sales manager. He's going to do a quick walkthrough, so I'm going to hand it off to Dennis and we're going to take it inside. Here we go. All right, Dennis.
Ryan.
Hey, bud.
Appreciate it. One thing to point out, all aluminum frame, vacuum sealed,
Yep.
fiberglass, so you can get the bubble back in the old
Awesome, awesome.
50-inch TV, plenty of storage, easy access to operate on your awnings, your stereos
Awesome.
and stuff. Comes with the gas electric refrigerator.
Awesome.
Also comes with your 3-burner stove and oven and microwave. Lots of storage in this thing. Neat hidden storage cabinet right here. Brian, people really like that. Comes with a double sink here. Don't mind a little bit of this. Is a little bit of antifreeze because we keep all of our units winterized during the winter. And our service will go over that way real quick. Need any answers for that. You got your party sofas, got the massage seats.
Man, is that massage and lights? That's nice.
Overhead beds.
Here, let me hit that real quick before we move on. Boy, that's nice up there. So that's really cool for kids up there. That's really cool. All right, what else we got?
I love it. Got your washer, dryer, prep set up right here, plenty of electric and stuff. You actually got where your heat comes back into here on the heat fence here, not old. Got a good half bath there, Brian.
Really nice, really nice. Let me get some light in here real quick. Here we go. Okay, and what else we got?
Right above you, watch your feet down here. Right above you, you had a second TV up here. All these buttons over here under this cabinet here operate your folding bench seats.
Okay,
over here.
and those fold right out the benches,
It's
don't they?
actually electric. They're
Yeah.
all opposing.
Awesome.
benches. And then you got a queen bed above you.
I'm gonna put this up here real
That
quick.
queen bed will come down.
Yeah.
This actually will knit together,
Uh-huh.
so it makes a queen bed.
Okay.
You can have people sleep on top.
Awesome. So you can use this, if I understand it correctly, not only for a toy hauler, bikes and ATVs and things like that, Dennis, but we can also have living and bedding in here too, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Awesome.
It's for the family, and Carbon has different size cargo beds.
Yeah.
Depending on which way you got. This has 11-foot cargo bed.
Okay.
Yeah, a little smaller than some, but you're gaining all the living space here.
Awesome.
If you don't like that, we've got them as much as 18-foot.
Awesome. What else we got?
You actually got a patio door back here.
Okay.
That you can take these screens off.
Little party deck
Let
out
the
there.
air come in. Actually got the patio deck. It just goes in
Okay.
when that deck falls down. You got your dovetail back here, so
Okay.
if you're driving a Harley and you come up, it's
Okay.
not dragging in mufflers on the bottom.
Awesome. Awesome. What else we got, brother?
Well, of course, all LED lights.
Okay. Really cool. Like
All
that.
over the place. And I have to point out like that. Lots of storage. Lots of storage. Let's go up there and look at the bedroom. Let's get a picture of the bathroom.
Here we go. So this goes right into the master too, right?
Yeah, you got access from this side too.
Wow, it's really nice. Hey guys, we got the bath, got skylighting in here. Wow, this bath is real big, man. That's really, really big. And then this is a
Now this is a queen size bed in this. The reason why, gives you more walk around room than a
Okay.
king size bed.
lots of room. I'll shoot a quick
Look
round.
how deep this storage is over here.
Holy gosh.
This is actually a slide. It is slid out to give you all this extra room instead
Awesome.
of being in here on it.
Awesome. Well, let's take it outside, brother. See what we can find out there and do a quick walk around out there.
It's already set right here. We're back into to put the TV in the bedroom.
Okay. Great.
Lots of under bed storage. You put a lot of stuff in here and store it for sure.
Really cool. Like it. Fifth wheel hookup and everything. The Carbon, right? 357 Carbon.
357. Yeah, it's set up a very nice camper for the money and stuff.
It's awesome.
Got the lights here. If you're looking up, you turn your lights on and see where you're hooking up.
Awesome.
And
What?
over here you can see the other slide. Slide out.
I don't know. I think we're going to get a lot of wind, Dennis. We might want to go on the other side. Well, Dennis, tell me one thing on this. Let's get to the other side and see if we can hear each other. Let's talk about price on this one. Now, you and I, before we got rolling here, We know what it's retailing at. We know what its regular cost is. Hit me with a couple prices on this one, because I was shocked, guys. I was shocked to know that what the price on this was. So I'm gonna let Dennis take it away and tell us what kind of deal we're running and what we can do for you at Big Daddy. Take it away, brother.
Yeah, thank you, Brian. The biggest thing is this camper here is selling for about $75,000.
75,000
out west. You get a little closer to us, it's selling 65 in Texas. We normally sell it for about 60 over in this area. What we're doing now, just to kick off the spring, we're gonna let this thing go for $49,311.
49,311. Did you say that again?
49,311.
Ladies and gentlemen, 49,311. Matter of fact, Dennis was telling me that the manufacturers called us and said, "You sure you can go that low?" And we said, "Absolutely, we can go that low." Ladies and gentlemen, 49,311. Big bedroom, big bathroom, 2 bathrooms, toy hauler capability, sleeps a ton. Come check us out, Big Daddy's RV. We're looking forward to seeing, and guess what? We're gonna save you thousands. Give us a call.